Top 5 Muscle Cars for First-Time Buyers. Welcome to Vintage Wheels Chronicles. If you're new to the world of muscle cars, buying your first one can be exciting, but also a little overwhelming. That's why we've picked 5 fantastic muscle cars that are perfect for first-time buyers. They're affordable, easy to maintain, and fun to drive. Let's jump into the top 5 muscle cars that give you real power without breaking the bank. 1. 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang GT. The S197 Mustang GT is one of the best entry-level muscle cars you can buy today. It's powered by a 4.6-liter V8 producing 300 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. That gives it a strong, responsive feel on the street without being overwhelming. The styling is a retro throwback to the original Mustangs, making it a head-turner. Prices for clean examples range between $7,000 to $12,000, making it very accessible. It comes with a 5-speed manual or automatic depending on your preference. Maintenance costs are relatively low, with plenty of parts and online support. The chassis is simple and easy to work on, perfect for beginners. There's also a massive aftermarket if you want to modify it later. The exhaust note from the stock V8 is satisfying, and it only gets better with an upgrade. The GT handles well for a muscle car, especially with some basic suspension tweaks. You'll find excellent community support in Mustang forums and social media groups. It's a great daily driver that can also perform on the weekends. The interior is clean and functional, with decent comfort and technology for its age. You can easily find one with under 100,000 miles in good shape. This generation has aged well and holds its value nicely. Insurance is generally affordable for a V8 coupe, especially compared to newer models. It's a great platform to learn driving dynamics and car maintenance. For first-timers, it's the perfect combination of power, price, and style. The 2005 to 2009 Mustang GT is a true modern classic for any beginner. 2. Pontiac Firebird Formula Trans Am. The final generation of the Firebird is a powerful and surprisingly affordable option. With an LS1 5.7-liter V8 borrowed from the Corvette, it makes 325 horsepower. That's serious performance in a package you can find for under $10,000. The Trans Am trim adds more aggressive styling and features like Ram Air scoops. The Formula trim is a little more subtle, but still packs the same powertrain. You can get a 6-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, both of which are solid choices. Its wedge-shaped body gives it a distinct aggressive look that still stands out today. The LS1 engine is highly reliable and has massive aftermarket support. There's tons of tuning potential. You can easily hit 400-plus horsepower with bolt-ons. Despite the power, it's not too intimidating for a first-time V8 owner. The Firebird also handles surprisingly well, thanks to its low stance and wide track. Its WS6 suspension package adds performance parts for better control. Interior quality is typical for the era, but functional and easy to live with. Parts availability is excellent since it shares components with the Camaro. Insurance isn't too bad if you're over 25, or bundle it with other coverage. It's a great choice for someone who wants raw performance and classic 90s muscle feel. With the right tires and minor mods, it's a capable street machine. The Firebird also has a strong enthusiast community and lots of online support. You'll learn a lot about high-performance maintenance without breaking your wallet. The 1998 and 2002 Firebird is a bold choice that delivers real value for beginners. 3. 2011 to 2014 Dodge Challenger RT. The Dodge Challenger RT is the perfect mix of retro style and modern muscle. powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi V8. It delivers around 370 horsepower and 398 pounds-feet of torque. It's one of the most comfortable muscle cars to drive, with a smooth ride and roomy cabin. It's big and bold. Great if you want something that turns heads at every stoplight. You can find early RTs in good condition for around $15,000. That may be at the top of a beginner's budget, but it's worth it for what you get. You get modern safety features, reliable engineering, and cool retro design. The 6-speed manual option gives it an old-school vibe, while the automatic is smooth and powerful. The Challenger isn't as nimble as a Mustang or Camaro, but it's better for cruising and long drives. The stock exhaust gives a deep, rumbling growl, exactly what you expect from a Hemi. There's a huge aftermarket scene for performance, wheels, and visual mods. Inside, it offers plenty of space, a decent infotainment system, and modern convenience. It's a good grown-up muscle car for someone who wants power and comfort. Maintenance is manageable, especially for the early RT models with less tech. It's also surprisingly good in daily driving thanks to its smooth torque curve. The styling is inspired by the 1970 Challenger, making it an instant classic. The resale value remains strong, especially for well-kept models. It's one of the best platforms to grow into as a beginner builds confidence. The Challenger RT is a big, bold, and beautiful first step into modern muscle. If you want muscle that feels special but still daily drivable, this is your car. 4. 1994-1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. The 1994-1996 Impala SS is a full-size muscle sedan with V8 power and tons of style. It uses a detuned LT1 5.7L V8 from the Corvette, making 260 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. Though it's heavier than a typical coupe, it still delivers strong straight-line performance. This car offers muscle performance in a sleeper package. It looks like a cruiser, but it moves. The Impala SS has a distinct look with its monochrome paint and aggressive stance. It's only available with an automatic transmission, but that makes it easier to drive for beginners. Prices range from $8,000 to $14,000, depending on mileage and condition. The LT1 engine is well supported and relatively simple to maintain. There's room for 5 adults, making it a practical muscle car for daily use. Ride quality is smooth and confident, perfect for both city and highway cruising. The Impala's size gives it a unique muscle feel. It's a real American bruiser. Inside, you'll find leather seats, a simple layout, and a digital speedometer. It's a great platform for customization or just enjoying stock. You can upgrade the exhaust, intake, and wheels without spending much. It's also one of the coolest V8 sedans of the 90s. Fuel economy isn't great, but you're buying it for the experience, not efficiency. This car is popular with enthusiasts who like big, fast sleepers. It's very durable and capable of lasting over 200,000 miles with proper care. The 1994 to 1996 Impala SS is a great choice if you want a unique and confident first muscle car. It's a full-size legend with real road presence. 5. 2002-2005 Ford Thunderbird V8. While not a traditional muscle car, the retro-styled Ford Thunderbird offers V8 fun for beginners. It's powered by a 3.9-liter V8 making 280 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic. The styling is inspired by the original 1955 Thunderbird, giving it a classic look with modern reliability. Prices are affordable. Many go for under $10,000 in great condition. It's not a drag strip monster, but it offers a relaxed, refined driving experience. That makes it ideal for first-time buyers who want style with manageable performance. The ride is smooth, steering is light, and the power delivery is easy to control. You get rear-wheel drive dynamics in a laid-back cruiser package. The Thunderbird uses a Jaguar-based platform, giving it a premium feel. Inside, the leather seats and retro gauges add to its charm. It's great for weekend cruising or as a fun second car. While it doesn't compete with modern muscle and speed, it wins in character. Parts availability is solid and maintenance costs are fairly low. You can personalize it with subtle mods like wheels, suspension, or exhaust. It's a head-turner that doesn't overwhelm new drivers. Fuel economy is decent for a V8, making it practical for daily use. It's not as aggressive as a Mustang or Camaro, but it has personality. This Thunderbird is perfect for someone who wants vintage vibes with modern comfort. It won't scare you, but it will definitely impress your friends. The 2002-2005 Thunderbird is a stylish and underrated entry into the world of muscle. These 5 cars prove that you don't need big money or race car skills to enjoy the muscle car lifestyle. They're affordable, reliable, and guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, only on Vintage Wheels Chronicles.